family, what's going on today? What's going on? I'm with my beautiful neighbors today. Eating us some Mexican food. Ah, look how good that look. Oh shit, look at this. This is called, look at my beautiful neighbor.
This is called real Mexican food.
Real Molo. Look at there. They go light bright over there. What's up? Hey, rapper. Hey, rapper. Gonna spit some rap for me today. Ah, look. Hey. I know it's a little dark, but family, I got some beautiful neighbors. They invited us down here today to eat us some, I can't even pronounce. Excuse me. Y'all got a burp out of me, too. Look at this. Y'all, you know I always cut up. Y'all hear light bright over there. Look at this. I'm going to get her to start her channel soon. She's going to start it. Family, y'all see her. Look for her. Look at that. Y'all watch out. Watch, they going to be asking you to fart. They is these one. Oh, Lord. Look at her. She over there chowing down. What you got to say, Light Bright?
What? I don't know.
I gotta cook you guys up so
There go the man of the house over there, barbecuing. He's getting it in. Let me go over here. I was about to fall out of the chair. Let me show y'all how he over here cooking it down. Ooh, look at this. Ah, shit. Ah, family, look at this. Here we go right here.
Aquí con mi bro.
Yes, look at that. Y'all see the food? Here go my boy over here. What you got to say to the channel?
I'm telling you.
Subscribe, hit that like button, and then y'all gonna keep seeing more stuff like this.
Okay, so when is your channel?
The next 3 months.
Next 3 months, okay. He ain't even got the name yet, do you? You got the name?
Smokey Cut, subscribe it. I haven't posted nothing yet, but go ahead and hit search it up on YouTube, and hopefully y'all will like the videos we're gonna post.
Yes, yes. Look at this is the up and coming rapper right here. Come on now, what is your rap name? What is your rap name, huh?
I don't have one yet.
He don't have one yet. He said he can rap, y'all, okay? And look at this beautiful young lady. Here she go. YouTube, look at this. Look at this. It's going down. I'm enjoying the family. I love them. They have been here for me. Family through hard times too, okay?
Pancakes mix. Make the pancakes, put a little bit of
Yes, look at this. Yes, indeed. Look at this.
mix on the batter. And then grab the Oreo, but you gotta grab it in a spoon. Dip it in that batter and put it in the fry, and then put some powdered sugar. Tell me, then you tell me how much it takes. Yeah.
No, she said she throws it down the kitchen. Okay?
What's that? That's what I want to taste too. I ain't never
I invited
had.
my pastor one time to the house. So I said, Pastor, you want to come around?
She said Thanksgiving at 5 in the
He
morning.
said-
She's already cooking.
Yeah. Summer goes like.
That's the way we do. Oh, I told you I'm gonna have to make your.
For real, wake up at 5 in the morning. By 10 in the morning, girl, stuff for the baby's birthday, for the first time we got it.
I learned.
I went over.
Y'all hear how she makes some Puerto Rican food?
I made so many.
What I heard that's really good is that Puerto Rican rice.
That's what I made.
It's spicy.
And then I
Oh
put
yeah, it's fresh out the
some pork chops in it. I cut some pork chops in it.
You want
We
one
have
like
to
that?
make it.
Clear? Without?
Hello.
Oh, I'm telling you.
You throw it down.
No sour.
I gotta taste that.
She tearing it up over there. Look at her.
Carne asada.
And the sauce is the bone.
It sure is.
This sauce is the bomb.
Right, what you want to say?
I got kind of fire right now. I can talk.
So yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, está.
Yeah, that's spicy.
I can't mess with no hot sauce, family.
Ahí viene la carne.
There's more meat, too. Family, I'm going to be full of meat and full of farts later. I might come to y'all with a late night fart, okay? Because this is hitting. This meat is good as hell, okay? This is the second time I taste this. I can't pronounce it.
What's it called? What's the meat called? Carne asada.
Carne,
Carne asada.
Ghana, what did you say? Ghana Sada?
Carne asada. Carne asada.
Ghana Sada. Y'all remember that, okay?
Wanda, aquí hay más carne asada.
I got here.
Please, some juicy carne asada.
I'm just dealing with this beautiful sauce.
Mm-hmm.
That's spicy.
It's hot. It's hot.